Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to smarthome. Today, we're going to show you how to connect your Amazon Fire Stick to your TV in just a few simple steps. So, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your TV is turned on and set to the correct input. 1. HDMI ports on the back of the TV. Next, locate the HDMI port on your TV. Most TVs have multiple HDMI ports, so choose any one of them. 2. Plugging the Fire Stick into the HDMI port. Now, take your Amazon Fire Stick and plug it into the HDMI port. Make sure it's securely connected. 3. Plugging the Fire Stick's power cable into a power outlet. After that, you'll need to connect the power cable to your Fire Stick. You can use the provided power adapter and plug it into a nearby power outlet. 4. Holding the remote control. Once everything is plugged in, grab your remote control and turn on your TV. Your TV should automatically detect the Fire Stick and switch to the correct input. If it doesn't, you may need to manually change the input using your TV remote. 5. How to set up the Fire Stick on the TV screen. Now, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. You'll need to connect your Fire Stick to your Wi-Fi network and sign in with your Amazon account. Conclusion. And there you have it. Your Amazon Fire Stick is now connected to your TV, and you're ready to start streaming your favorite movies, TV shows, and more. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. See you next time.